Hi and welcome back to another episode of the FOGO Life. Today I will show you how to sear the perfect steak in a cast iron skillet. Hey guys, and Happy New Year! This is our first episode in 2019 and I have something special for you. I'm going to sear this beautiful Cowboy ribeye steak in a cast iron skillet. Why cast iron? Because it's all about crust. Remember I did a couple of videos on searing steak on salt block and searing steak under a charcoal broiler? It's all about that perfect crust. And cast iron is another one of those cooking techniques that gives you that amazing crust. And what's even better, now in January, you might not be able to cook outside. We're here in Florida, so we can grill pretty much year round. But if you can't grill outside right now, you can cook on a cast iron inside your kitchen. So it's pretty awesome. So let me show you how to do it. I always start off with reverse searing a thick steak like this. That way it cooks slowly and gives me that perfect medium rare doneness edge to edge with no gray or overcooked areas. I set the grill to 250 degrees and take the meat slowly to 115 degrees internal temperature. That takes about 45 minutes, but always cook to temperature and not to time. Once the meat has reached the target internal temperature, take it off and open all your grill's vents and let the temperature come up to 600 degrees for searing. Instead of butter, I'm using ghee today. It has a higher smoke and burn point. As the cast iron skillet is warming up to searing temperatures, I'm using the time to toast my spices like thyme, rosemary and garlic to unleash that extra flavor. Once the cast iron skillet hits 500 degrees, you got a nice temperature for searing and developing that nice crust. It only takes a minute or two per side and you're done with a perfect steakhouse crust. After I'm done searing the steak, I'm adding shallots to the ghee with a little bit of butter and red wine to make caramelized shallots to top the steak with. This is gonna be absolutely amazing. All right, guys, this is absolutely amazing. We have this Cowboy ribeye steak first seared, like reverse seared, at about 250 to 300 degrees indirectly on the grill. Then we seared it at about 500 degrees in the cast iron skillet, and the crust is absolutely fantastic. Look at the color on that steak. You know, it's absolutely beautiful. Look, like medium rare. I put a couple of like hot caramelized shallots on top. So. And I did a couple of, I love doing these. This is so easy. You just throw it on top of your grill. A couple of asparagus wrapped with bacon. It's just easy. Like you have to do nothing. You just put it on the grill next to your meat and it's ready at the same time as the meat. Absolutely amazing. So let's try it out. Let's see if it came out okay. All right. This is good. If I like to keep the vegetables a little bit simple, but if you want to take the vegetables a little further, you can always sprinkle like a spicy rub or some sort of marinade on it, and it takes it to another level. Let's have a look at the meat and the caramelized shallots. Let's grab a piece of meat. This is the real deal, guys. Amazing. Wow. Let me have some more. Damn, the shallots are like amazing. Like, look at the caramelization of this. And I put a little bit of wine on it just to, pop the flavor a little bit. And it's so good. It's like crunchy in your mouth. It's like a party in your mouth. It's amazing. Really good. Really good, guys. So basically, if you guys were ever wondering, where does this guy get his meat? Wow, this Cowboy steak looks amazing. Well, actually, I got this from my friends here in Fort Lauderdale. It's a local company called grandwesternsteaks.com. And they gave me a coupon code for you guys so you can get 10% off your orders. And that's FOGO charcoal. So just head over to grandwesternsteaks.com and you can get 10% off your order. It's really good meat. You saw it. It's absolutely amazing. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys about this. This is a perfect little meal for Valentine's Day. If you're looking for wood to cook on Valentine's Day, this is a great option. It's really easy to do. All in all, probably took us about an hour 15 or so to cook this. Most of the time was reverse sear. It was probably on the grill for about 45 minutes reverse sear. Then I took it off. I put on the cast iron, brought it up to heat, seared the steak, seared the shallots. Hour and 15, it's done. And you can have a very romantic dinner with your loved one. Cheers to that. I hope you liked this episode, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, and see you next week.